Mastering, Can You Wait? A Guide to Polite English Requests. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, can you wait? This simple request is a staple in everyday English conversations, and understanding its nuances is key to effective communication. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and variations together. Can you wait? Is a polite request asking someone to delay their action or response. It's often used in situations where you need more time to prepare, think, or complete a task. This phrase is not only about the words but also about the tone and context. It's important to use a friendly tone to maintain politeness. In this section, we'll explore different scenarios where "can you wait" is applicable. For example, in a restaurant, a waiter might ask this if your table isn't ready. Or, in a conversation, you might use it to politely interrupt or ask for time to think. Understanding the context helps in appropriately responding or using the phrase. English is flexible, and so is this phrase. Could you hold on a moment? Or, do you mind waiting? Are variations that serve the same purpose but can sound more formal or casual depending on the situation. We'll break down these variations to enhance your conversational skills. It's crucial to understand the cultural aspects of language. In some cultures, direct requests like, "Wait," might seem rude, while, "Can you wait, please?" is seen as more polite. We'll discuss how cultural sensitivity plays a role in using this phrase effectively. And that's a wrap on Can You Wait? We hope this video has shed light on how to use this common English phrase politely and effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using it in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.